Okay. Now next example, okay, is show that these points 1 7 4 2 minus 1 1 minus 4 4, these 4 points are vertices of square. So before solving this example, we should know the properties of square. So first of all, which quadrilateral is said to be square? So there are two major properties of quadrilateral which is need to be traced here in this example. Okay. So first is all the sides are of equal length. All the sides are of equal length means all sides are congruent to each other. It means first condition is to first condition is satisfied by these two vertices by these vertices are distance between any 2 points, means distance between consecutive points should be same. Distance between consecutive points should be same. Okay. And another property which is to be stressed in this example is distance between two diagonals. We know that length of diagonal of square, length of diagonals of square is same. Length of diagonals of square is same. To understand it better, we are going to suppose these points as point A as 1 7, point B as 4 2, point C as minus 1 1, and point D as minus 4 4. Here, if these 4 points are the vertices of any quadrilateral, okay, vertices of any quadrilateral, we don't know at this point, we don't know these vertices are of square. If you want to, we just simply know that these vertices are of any quadrilateral. To show that these 4 vertices are of a square, we need to show that distance AB, distance BC, distance CD, and distance AD is same. So first we need to find the distance AB, BC, CBD, and CD and AD. Okay. Now, first I'll write the in a quadrilateral, in a quadrilateral if all sides are of equal lengths, and length of both diagonals is same, length of both diagonals is same, then it is a square. Then it is a square. Okay, this example require lot of space, but lot of space doesn't mean that it is difficult. We just need to use the simple distance formula for the 6 times. Okay, now distance AB. Now we have used to the distance formula 1 7. So by using distance formula in x2 4 minus 1 bracket square plus 2 minus 7 bracket square, 4 minus 1 is 3 bracket square plus 2 minus 7 minus 5 bracket square. So 3 square is 9 plus minus 5 square is 25. Sum is 34, root 34. So distance AB is root 34. I am naming this as equation number 1. Now distance BC. Distance BC. Distance BC is BC 1 minus 4. 1 minus 4 bracket square plus minus 1 minus 2. Minus 1 minus 2. Okay. Or am I making any mistake? Minus 1 minus 2. Right. Sorry. Value of this minus 1. So again, minus 1 minus 4 minus 5 bracket square plus minus 3 bracket square. So again 25 plus 9 is equals to root 34. I am naming this as equation number 2. Distance BC. Now distance CD. Distance CD. Distance CD is minus 4 minus minus 1. Minus 4 minus minus 1 bracket square plus 4 minus 1 bracket square. 4 minus 1 bracket square. I think something is wrong here. Oh, sorry. Here I have taken the point. One point is wrong. So here it is minus 1. So that's why it is getting wrong. So minus 1. So here again minus 1. Minus 1 bracket square. Here it is same. So minus 4 plus 1 bracket square plus 4 minus minus plus 1 bracket square. Again minus 3 bracket square plus 5 bracket square. Again here 3 square is 9, 5 square is 25. 3 square is 9 plus 25. Again it is root 34. I am naming this as equation number 3. So distance CD. Distance CD is again root 34. Now we need to find the distance AD. Distance AD. Distance AD. Distance AD or distance DA, whatever. The distance will remain same. So distance AD minus 4 minus 1. Minus 4 minus 1 bracket square plus 4 minus 7 bracket square. 4 minus 7 bracket square. So minus 1 minus 4 minus 1 minus 5 bracket square plus minus 3 bracket square. So minus 4 minus 5 bracket square is 25 plus 9. 25 plus 9 is again root 34. Now from this information, from the equation 1 to 4, 1 to 4 means 1 to 4, all the 4, okay, not 1 to 4. From equation 1, 2, 3 and 4, we can say that this is a rhombus. This is rhombus. If question like this asked for us, and here the question is like that, show that the points given are vertices of rhombus instead of square, then we have solved the example. Now here we have concluded, and here from this just we need to simply write the one sentence here. From 1 to 4, these vertices are of rhombus, but we have to show here these vertices are of square. Then here AC, suppose this is a quadrilateral A, B, C and D. This is AB. AC and BD are the two diagonals. So we need to find the distance between these two diagonals. Okay. Now we will find the distance between the diagonals. Now again, I have written the 4 points here. Okay, because it's another side of a board. Now we need to find the distance AC, because AC is diagonal. AC, distance AC is, we can use here distance formula, -1 bracket square plus -1 -7 bracket square. -1 -2 bracket square plus -8 bracket square. Again, I can write here -2 square is 4 and -8 square is 64. So 4 plus 64, 4 plus 64, root 68. I'm writing here. I'm writing this as equation number 5. Now, I just need to find the distance. I have find the AC. Now I have to find the BD. Distance BD. Distance BD. Again, I am using the distance formula BD. -4 bracket square plus 2 -4 bracket square. -4 -8 bracket square plus -2 bracket square. Again, -8 square is 64 and 2 square is 4. Again, 64 plus 4, root 68. I am naming this as equation number 3. The equation number 6. From equation 5 and equation 6, distance AC and distance BD. What is AC in the quadrilateral? Here quadrilateral. A, B, C, D. What is AC? AC is diagonal, and again BD is diagonal. And if we observe carefully, the distance, equation number 5 and equation number 6, we can say here distance AC and distance BD, which are diagonals of the given square. And if you observe carefully, here, distance AB, distance BC, distance CD, distance BC, distance CD, and distance AD is also same. Here, what we have written here, in a quadrilateral, if all sides are equal length and lengths of both diagonals is same, then it is square. Now, from 1 to 4, we can say that all the length of all the sides is same. And from equation 5 and 6, we say here length of diagonals is same. So from equation 1 to 6, quadrilateral ABCD is a square. Quadrilateral ABCD is square, or rather we can say therefore given coordinates are vertices of square. If question is asked like this, you have to solve the distance formula for 6 times. Okay, bit time consuming. This example is bit time consuming, but it is easy. Okay, just simply we have to use the distance formula multiple times. That's it. Okay. The another variant of this example, same coordinates will be given, and you have to ask for show that these vertices are of rhombus. Then you have to solve up to this example. Up to this point. You just have to solve up to this point, and what you have to write in the answer: if a quadrilateral, if all sides are equal length, then it is called rhombus. Then you have just solve up to the equation number 4, and here you can directly write from 1 to 4 all length of all sides is equal. Therefore the given points are vertices of rhombus. Okay, we'll stop here.